Design, fabrication, installation. From innovation to generation, Babcock Power has the people and the power to get it done. Babcock Power Company's Vogt Power International, Boiler Tube Company of America, and TEiC Construction Services recently worked together to tackle a complex project for Austin Energy in Texas. With a wide range of expertise and a depth of service our competition cannot match, Babcock Power Companies can replace or retrofit other OEMs' equipment at lower cost with streamlined control and top-notch risk management. Austin Energy needed to replace individual module HARPS, so they turned to Babcock Power, who turned to one of our key companies, Vogt Power, to manage the project. Specialists in the design, manufacturing, supply, and service of heat recovery steam generators, Vogt took on the design assignment. With a diverse customer base and the expertise to produce custom designs in complex situations, Vogt continually refines and redefines its innovations to serve their customers' ever-changing needs. In this case, the customer's original equipment was not designed for replacement and maintenance, which, among other challenges, led to the need for an inventive construction technique for demolition. The customer also needed to know the impacts on thermal performance from the material change, which only an OEM like Vogt could accurately predict. In addition, access to the equipment was significantly hampered, which could lead to difficulties in loading. The mission was to configure a plan that would address all the issues, including enabling transportation of the HARPS to the job site by using normal road transportation and reducing the overall erection sequences, thus saving the customer considerable time and money. Once the design was complete, the Vogt team turned to another Babcock business unit, Boiler Tube Company of America, BTA. For nearly a century, BTA has fabricated specialty replacement parts and components for boilers of all sizes, with a goal to extend and improve boiler performance. Vogt and BTA work closely to bring the custom design through to fabrication, and to be sure it would meet the extensive obstacles of installation. One critical aspect was that Vogt changed the design from a bundle to a loose HARP configuration to allow for loading the HARPS within a limited access area. This new arrangement would prevent the removal of a large on-site stair tower, which was blocking clear access to the HARPS. BTA undertook a high degree of intricate fabrication of the piping, and casing seals were upgraded to eliminate future maintenance issues. Installation then became the responsibility of another Babcock company, TEiC Construction Services. TEiC focuses on safety, quality, on-time completion, and overall customer satisfaction, whether for planned services or for preparation of unexpected emergency situations. Backed by the strengths of the Vogt design and the BTA fabrication, TEiC Construction used multiple loading rails for loading the HARPS in a way that would further reduce installation cost and minimize duration of the outage on the job site during installation. From design to fabrication through to final installation, the Babcock Power team from Vogt, BTA, and TEiC worked together to achieve a successful outcome for our customer. 3 companies under the umbrella of Babcock Power Incorporated, where customers are assured advantages in thermal and mechanical design and evaluation, combined with competitive pricing, highest quality standards, and total project needs.